Hello everyone! I'm back for another video, whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I'm not really sure. But anyway, I had decided, and Theo had decided, and whoever had decided that I should take my new Canary Melon, introduce it to all of you, and then chop it up brutally on camera. And I'm not sure how this will turn out, whether this will be good or bad, and it might be very, very traumatic. So any one of you who has sensitive eyes, please turn off the video and go somewhere and hide, because this could be very, very dangerous. Anyway, the normal knife I would use for this would be the normal knife I would use, but considering that my roommate cut his finger off with this thing, I'm kind of afraid to touch it. So I will be using a knife that is not appropriate for this sort of task, but, well, I guess the Canary Melon's asking for it. So, here goes. Now, I'm sorry that the glare is really bad on this, but I don't have a proper camera yet, so we'll just have to deal with it. So, enjoy the horror movie effects of the glare. Anyway, die, die, die. And it's screaming, no, help me, no! What did I do to deserve this? No! Die, Canary Melon, die! It's going, no! Why are you doing this to me? Okay, that was pretty gruesome, maybe, if you consider it gross to have melon guts everywhere. Anyway, I'm going to go and put this poor thing to rest in my belly and provide it a burial of sorts. And anyway, I hope that you enjoyed that brutal sacrificial ceremony of perfectly good melon. So, subscribe to my videos. You really better, because I will have more stupid stuff. Anyway, talk to you later. See you later. Whatever later. Take care.